Sit back and let us tell you 15 facts that you've probably never heard before. Number 15. The longest hiccups on record lasted over 68 years. We all know how annoying and uncomfortable hiccups can be, but can you imagine having them for over 68 years? That's what happened to an American man named Charles Osborne. He began hiccuping in 1922 and continued to do so until 1990, a total of 68 years. Although his hiccups did slow down in frequency towards the end of his life, they never fully went away. It's still unknown what caused Osborne's hiccups to last so long.